Hey guys, welcome back. I know I look a little crazy, but today we have a different kind of video. So you've probably seen from the thumbnail, this is going to be another like, I tried this type. Does it work? Is it really legit? Will it work on my type of hair? We are going to do one of these like wave former reviews. I went ahead and picked mine off of eBay. I don't know, I think it was maybe like 15, 16 bucks. And from what I see, it's supposed to kind of give you like a wave, like a natural like light wave. So yeah, we gonna try it because summer's here and I'm real lazy and I don't like doing my hair all that often. Like I will beat my face, but when it comes to my hair, I'm like, can I just put it in the ponytail? Like I'm just super lazy when it comes to that. So if I can like do this and let it like sit for a few days, then I'm with it, especially if it comes out the way I'm hoping it does, just kind of like some effortless waves. And then maybe if it's a little bit tighter on day one, then maybe 2 or 3 it'll loosen up, and again I'll be able to keep it for a few days. So we gonna try it. So like I said, I got 3 packs of these. They're all the same. I don't know the color, but I did order them. Like when I went ahead and made my purchase, it did ask me for like the length options. I'm hoping that these are long enough for my hair. Like my hair isn't too long for it, so we shall see. So I just jumped out of the shower. Today was a hair washing day. I only wash my hair like maybe once a week just because it is very, very, very color treated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use, my kids got a hold of this, they just using it all up. It's my Carrot Color Purify Plus. Is a leave-in conditioning treatment. You guys seen this in my recent hair transformation video. I'm going to spray my hair with that, and then I'm going to take some of this Verb, let me see, Ghost Oil, and I'm going to put a little bit of that on my ends. So yeah, let's just do this. And this stuff smells so dang good. I'm gonna go ahead and use my wet brush and comb it through my hair. Guys, if you're gonna get a wet brush, get a legit wet brush. Don't get like some booty wet brush. Get the legit thing. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of this hair, put a little, just that much. You don't need much because this stuff is pretty heavy duty. And like I said, we're gonna just put it through my ends. Okay, going into this bag, it came with this little stick thing here. We're gonna go ahead and put the little contraption together. So yeah, it's just like a little hook. Okay, so there was no instructions. No instructions. None whatsoever. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like just guide it through. Okay. So I'm just gonna take, I don't want to take too small of sections because like I don't want like some crazy ass like Shirley Temple things going on here, but I'm just gonna take them in like the length that I would have curled my hair. So I'm gonna pull this away. So from the videos I've seen, they say to like twist at the root, and then, oh dang, I already messed it up. Okay, we're gonna need something smaller. All right, let's see how long this is gonna take me. It's 6:59 p.m. I think once I get the hang of it. All right, so we got the hook. We hooking it. So I'm like low-key scared. Oh snap, I got one. Okay. It's not pulling, it feels cool. We all good. Let me just pull these out here. All right. Let's do this again. I probably should have did these a little different. So they said to, you just keep it open. Did it break? Oh no, it came right through. Okay, so that's definitely the trick, guys. So you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna like pinch it open because it has like a rubber on it. And you're gonna insert the, okay, because I'm 5 and I can't do anything professionally. I kind of don't want these, I want these sections to be a little bit. So, all right. And then we just gonna open it up and pull through. Okay now. All right, let's rock and roll, honey. We gonna speed it up. Straight speed it up. Okay, so if you are like doing this and you feel that your hair is like stuck or whatever, don't force it, guys, because you don't want to rip your damn hair out your head. So you'll know it's not hard to really hook it in there. It's actually pretty easy. So like right now I was feeling like I needed, like I had some tension, so I'm thinking my section was too big. So I lessened the section and it went fine.
Vamos a bailarlo, vamos a danzarlo. It's Ricky Baker on the beat, Es difícil disimular lo que pasa por mi mente cuando te tengo de frente, yeah. Esas ganas de tocar ese cuerpo lentamente, divertirnos malamente con tu piel. Baila hasta que la noche se acabe, bailamos salsa y reggaetón. Eres hermosa y a tu cuerpo lo sabe, que bailas con esa pasión. Si lo haces como eso lo mueves, yo me imagino eso en acción. Chica, sé que tú tienes la clave, baila conmigo esta canción. Baila conmigo, tú no bailas con cualquiera. Hagamos de la fiesta nuestra cita en primavera. No estamos para acordarnos de tantos malos momentos. Estamos para disfrutar y vivir una nueva era. La más loca, la que más atreve. La envidia de todas las mujeres. Está soltera y también como lo mueve. Esa cosa sí que tiene poderes. Mami, tiene lo que ninguna chica tiene. Tanto flow que no se compara en niveles. Mi modelo de ti tengo 10.000 carteles. Eres icy, espero que no me congeles. Paso a paso demuestro lo que ella tiene. Sin reposo te baila trapeza y reggae. Por si acaso le muestro lo que tiene el nene. Lo que quiero, mami, solo que lo ordene. Baila hasta que la noche se acabe. Bailamos salsa y reggaetón. Eres hermosa y a tu cuerpo lo sabe, que bailas con esa pasión. Si lo haces como eso lo mueves, yo me imagino eso en acción. Chica, sé que tú tienes la clave, baila conmigo esta canción.
I'm low-key freaking out that I'm not gonna have all of these, like, enough. So I'm gonna try to make some of these sections bigger and see if that'll make, if I can get it through. Okay, yeah, that went through. Cool. Okay, so with my final layer, I just went ahead and parted it the way I would naturally, like my hair naturally falls, because I always kind of like throw my hair to the side, and then I will go ahead and add these. I'm on my final package. So far this is 3 of those packs. We'll go over some pointers at the end, but yeah. We almost there. What time is it? 7:16, so it's 15 minutes so far.
Hermosa, tú eres la mera mera. Me encanta el look de la nueva era. Dile a Mike que ya le encontré nuera, que esa nena ya es mía, la loca para afuera. Así que tranqui, tranqui, que ella se lo goza con un funky, funky. La beso y brinco como un monkey, monkey. Es tan dulce que le dicen pinky, pinky, bebé. Eres mi miel, mi Anabel, tu favorito y tu perro fiel. Ese nivel en que tú cargas, se te ve tan bonita en esa tanga.
Okay, honey. So, are you guys here for it? Like, okay, this is looking intense. I'm going to sleep with these in. I've seen a lot of girls, like they have like some thing they put over, it's like a hair dryer, and they blow dry their hair for like an hour. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna sleep in these. I'm probably just gonna do something where I can kind of just pin them back a little bit. Maybe put like, I don't know, some clips in it or something. But they're soft. They're not pulling at anything. It's more or less these ones just kind of falling in my face. So I grew up on sleeping in curlers. So these aren't gonna, these aren't poking into my head. The curlers used to poke in my head. So yeah, we gonna give it a whirl. And yeah, so right now I'm just finished. So I just put the last one in, and it's 7:23. It was 6:59 when we started. So I don't think that's too bad, considering I did my whole head and all that. This would be great if like you took a shower real early in the morning and you had somewhere to go later in the evening. They would probably be dry by then. Yeah, I don't have that big blow dryer thing, and I think that the longer they sit and if they air dry, it's gonna look really, really good. So I'm gonna kind of show you what the back looks like. So we got it all in there, and yeah. So let's see. I will see you guys in the morning. Hopefully we can last that long. I might like actually get up. I usually get up pretty early anyways. So yeah, like I said, I'm probably just gonna put some clips in the front just to pull it out of my face. But for the most part, I think I'm all good. All right. Well, I'll see y'all in the morning, honey. Yeah, oh, one more thing I wanted to tell you is like I have a couple of my little ends sticking out right here. If you can see, like here's like some ends right here. I'm not too concerned, because if it was to, I could always just take like my straightener and just kind of like run them through my ends. But I'm hoping for like effortless curls, honey. I'm feeling like Beyonce. Like I need this in my life. But yeah, we'll see. Let's see how. All right, stop it. All right, I'm gonna see you guys in the morning. Wish me luck. Pleasant dreams. Sweet dreams, baby girls and boys, if you are into this. Okay, bye. Okay, so it's the next day. It's actually very early the next morning. It's 5:30 in the morning. When I told you that you guys could sleep in these, I done lied to you. Don't sleep in these. Oh, it's out my window. Oh. I'm like delirious at this point. Yeah. These are terrible to sleep in, so I barely got any sleep. And then my job just tried to call me at 5 o'clock in the morning to come into work in like a half an hour. So yeah, I'm gonna take these out and then I'm going back to bed. So, and then if they settle by that time, whatever. I have a bag right here to put them in. So let's see. Okay, all right. I guess we're just gonna, oh snap. Okay. Yeah, you just slide them out. Okay. Look, I almost cheated last night and was gonna take a blow dryer to them because I was kind of just done. All right, look, this is a money piece, honey. Look, so cute, right? Okay.
Muévelo, muévelo, muévelo. Cuando el puente tripe a mitad on the floor. Dale, muévelo, muévelo, muévelo. Tú naciste pa' esto, pa' el reggaetón.
Baila hasta que la noche se acabe. Bailamos salsa y reggaetón. Eres hermosa y a tu cuerpo lo sabe. Que bailas con...
This is what it looks like. Okay, and then all the way through the back. So what I am gonna do is just kind of run my fingers through it and break them up. And like I said, it's early right now, so I'm gonna go back to bed. And then okay, I'm kind of digging it. Like I said, this is like cute summer beachy waves. Like if you had someone who can put some hella tight braids in your hair, this would be probably the same outcome. So what I would even do right now is you could even do like this was too much for you, you can do like a top bun and just have that down like that. That's probably how I will end up doing it for the first day. Or, I mean, I don't know, I dig it. Everything looks better with some makeup on, honey. Don't ever forget that. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that verb oil. So what do you think? All right, I'm gonna take myself a little nap, and then I'm gonna come back. I'll put my face on and we'll critique, but I'll mess with it. I mess with it. I think it's pretty good. So there you go. Hey guys, so we're back. This is what we're working with. So yeah, I'm digging it. I think it's like real fun, like beachy, springy vibes, a little different. And yeah, so this is it. So I'm gonna leave it, and then maybe on the next day I can do like a half up thing. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave it in for a couple days, but I like it. It was really simple. I would not recommend sleeping on it. If you guys are going to do this, do it first thing in the morning and then do your housework, whatever, and then wait that time, because they're too hard to sleep in, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. So if you guys liked these types of videos and you want to see more, if you have any suggestions on things you would like to see me try, then go ahead, let your girl know, because I'm all about the experimentation, okay? Anything that is easy with hair, I'm for it, because I'm so lazy when it comes to that. That's why most of the time I just like either curl it and touch it up throughout the week, or I just throw it up in a ponytail, because yeah. But yeah, so this is what we're looking like. I know you guys are gonna be like, Danielle, what's up with your eyes? So I did, you know, scoop up some color contacts. I do have like a code and everything down below. A company did send them to me. I used to be hella into these when I was a kid. I was that girl, and I'm still that person, obviously, because I think it's fun. You know, I feel like if you change up the color of your eyes, it really just changes your makeup look. And I'm living my best life with my curly hair and, you know, 2 hours of sleep. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I will link everything down below. They're really comfortable. I do have fake eyelashes on and makeup and all that stuff, so they're not bothering me. They're not like, you know, some of them used to be real drying, or you could feel like there was something. These ones are pretty cool. Feels like nothing. But yeah, and they do come prescription too. If you guys have a prescription, whatever, if you want to check it out, I'll leave the link. They give me a little code, get yourself some if you want some. They have a variety of colors. These are Glam Gray. All right, but anyways, all right guys, I love you so much. If you guys have tried these, let me know. Any suggestions on what I should do? Should I do bigger chunks next time? I don't know. But all right guys, I love you so much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.
Si lo haces como eso lo mueves, yo me imagino eso en acción. Chica, sé que tú tienes la clave, baila conmigo esta canción.